Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from HookedLoops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, click the bell icon. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. Today I will show you how to make this very beautiful and easy lip art wall decor. I have upcycled old cardboard and old cotton fabric and decorated it with clay art as well as mirrors. So let's begin. For this project, we will require a circular shaped cardboard. The size depends on your wish, and we will take a cotton fabric. At first, we will apply a layer of fabric glue on top of the cardboard, and we will stick the fabric to the cardboard in this manner. Spread the fabric uniformly on top of the cardboard such that there are no folds on the top. Then turn your work. Cut out the extra portion of the fabric, keeping some distance from the cardboard, and then we will cut it out in this manner around the circular circumference. We will take the fabric glue and stick each part of the fabric to the cardboard in this manner by folding it. We will do this throughout the circumference of the circle. Okay. So it's done. Our work is now complete. We will now apply a layer of gesso on top of the fabric. So that I made the gesso using plaster of Paris, glue, water and white colored acrylic paint. In order to see the full recipe, follow my old video on how to make a gesso. It's a primer. The gesso will make the surface hard and suitable for painting with acrylic colors. After applying the gesso on the surface, we will let it dry, and our canvas is now ready. So it's a circular canvas. So in this tutorial I taught you how to make a canvas at home. Now I made a very easy outline of the mandala for doing the lip art, and after that just start painting it. Make sure that the design is very simple because our work will look more beautiful with the mirrors and the clay work on it. So make the design as simple as possible. Okay. We will paint it throughout. I have chosen very bright colors as it will make our work look really pretty and beautiful at the end. So we will quickly complete painting our mandala. Now that the painting is complete, we will start doing our lip art. The main part of the lip art is adding mirrors. So I have chosen small circular and diamond shaped mirrors. So I am sticking them in my desired position using the Fevicol glue. Now the decoration is completely based on your wish. At first I added a layer of acrylic colored paints. After doing our clay work, we will do another layer of the paint to brighten up our work. So we have attached all the mirrors. It's already looking very beautiful. Now we will be adding our clay. For that I have chosen the Fevicryl molded. It's an air dry clay. It contains the hardener and the resin base. So we will take equal quantity of the hardener and the resin base. We will mix them together using little bit of powder. Just mix them, that is roll them. and fold them. Okay, the mixture should be homogeneous and completely white. So our mold is ready. We will take small portion of the mold and roll them out into thin wire-like shape and then stick it around the mirrors in this form. Take the help of clay tools and stick them properly. You can use a little bit of water to smoothen the surface in this manner. So in this manner we are using the clay and just encircling the circles. Cut out the extra portion of the clay and smoothen it using a little bit of water on the fingertip. So we will surround the mirrors with the clay work in this manner. We have done clay borders around all the mirrors. Now we will be doing some clay art. We will be using the wire-shaped clays and decorate our mandala in this manner. Use the clay tool and smoothen the surface. Decoration is completely based on your own wish. We will use clay tools and paint brush in order to smoothen the surface as well as the border portion and give our work a neat look. It may appear a little bit of muddy in the beginning, but the end result is really beautiful. Just make sure your work is neat. In order to neaten your work, use a little bit of water on the tip of your finger and smoothen the surface. You can also use a little bit of water in the tip of your paintbrush and smoothen the surface as well as the area which is not covered up with the clay. Just neaten your work accordingly. It should be really neat and clean. We will stick small spherical shapes of clay in our mandala. We will do small holes at the center of the spheres using the compass. Do the other detailings too. So our clay work is done. We allowed it to dry for at least 3 hours, and when it's dried up and hard, we will just paint on it. The clay portion will be white in color, so paint it completely white. At the end, we will add a layer of our background colors, that is yellow, orange, green, blue and pink and red, and neaten our work based on the clay work. In this way, we will quickly complete painting the background. And it's done. Our Lippen art wall decor is now completely ready, beautiful, colorful and ready to be decorated, and you will have to agree that it's really easy to make. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com. I write my creative blogs in my website, so stay updated and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.